everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hit the subscribe button. Let's be friends. Peeps. How's it going? Happy Thursday. Okay, so were you here yesterday? If you haven't seen yesterday's video, I'm gonna leave it linked somewhere, iCard, something, the end. Go check it out if you want to watch that before you watch this, so you see what the heck is going on. My shirt's doing all kinds of funny things. Let's fix this collar because I don't like it. Okay. Like I mentioned, I am not the biggest fan of Valentine's Day. But in saying that, I'm trying to embrace it. Embrace it. Embrace it. Oh, embrace it I did. Boy, did I ever buy a boatload of stuff. I bought a boatload of stuff because, A, I'm going to embrace Valentine's Day. I don't know why I don't like that holiday. Maybe it's because I like to tell the people that I love about 9,000 times a day that I love them. Like, I tell Angela I love her. Oh, I don't know, 100 times a day, 100 times, easy. Okay, let's start on the haul because this is why you're here. This is what you want to see. And you saw, we got like different things at different Dollar Trees. I picked up this from the first Dollar Tree. I think this is so cute. First of all, I'm a dog person. I'm going to pop this off, or I'm going to get Osmar to pop this off for me. I don't know, but this is going on the big over-the-top wreath. Okay, and unless I tell you it's from the plus section, everything's $1.25. Okay, so got that. Very cute. You could stake it in the ground. This is all random. It's all over the place. Okay. I got all the bags in front of me, just so you know. I bought 2 of these from the first Dollar Tree. I think they're adorable. Adorable. Little white glittery hearts. Glitter hearts. Okay, glitter hearts. Then I got 2 of these bouquets. I think these, very nice. Very nice, I have to say. Very, very nice. Very nice. Not bad for the quality. Not bad, $1.25. 2 of the pink. I got 2 of the red. Also, hold on, I'm rummaging. 2 of the red. These are going to look great in the... I'm going to pull these apart. These are going to look great. We're going to do that together. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. We're all going to embrace Valentine's Day. Okay, then I got a bunch of these. Hold on. Okay, so I got... Just a minute. See? Hot Mess Express. Okay. These picks came in 2 different styles. They came in the all heart, okay? And then they came in this, which is like an open heart and then little hearts. See? Open heart and little hearts. And then all hearts. So they came in these. Cute, right? Embracing Valentine's Day. Keep telling myself that I am embracing Valentine's Day. I don't know what it is about this holiday. I just don't. Okay. So that was from the first Dollar Tree. Okay. And then these are from the first Dollar Tree. And these I picked up after. And I'll tell you why. So I got these. Where is that bag? It's here. Okay. It's gotta be here, right? Yeah. Why I picked up purple. I wasn't originally going to do purple in my wreath, but I picked this up. And we saw this at both Dollar Trees. So this was my thinking. Hold on, I'm trying to get it out of the bag. Okay, it is this thing here. It says Sweet Valentine, and they look like donuts. Okay, this one really caught my eye. The actual donut looking one. But you see it's got purple in it, right? You see it's got purple? So I grabbed a little bit of this to tie it all in together a little bit. Okay, so $1.25. We're going to rip this apart, obviously. And I'll show you how I'm going to put it in the swag. Then I got red deco mesh. Okay, and I got I think I got one only. Hold on. Then I got my ribbon. Okay, let me show you the ribbon. Now I got doubles of these, okay? Just so you know. So I got the light pink, the red, and this one. Can you see it? You can see it good, right? Okay. So this is gonna be my ribbon combo. That's what I'm going with. Embracing Valentine's Day. Okay, and then I got white deco mesh. Didn't I not? Yes, I did. Oh, and I got this. The little conversation heart, thin ribbon. I wish this was, I wish Dollar Tree upped their ribbon game. Like, Dollar Tree has upped everything. Like, wow. The makeup and skincare at Dollar Tree is by far amazing. I wish they would up their ribbon game. If they up their ribbon game, I'm telling you, the store cannot be beat. Okay, and then just to end at the first Dollar Tree, I got the white deco mesh. Okay, so that's that for the first Dollar Tree. Then we went to the second Dollar Tree, and you guys saw that yesterday in the shopping haul. Like, they had pretty good stuff. They had a lot of different things, but I had already bought lots of stuff. I bought more of the ribbon because I had an idea. Okay, I know this is so random, but this is for a craft. You'll see it in a reel or something. You'll see it in a short video. It's cling wrap, window clings. Bella, speak English. Yeah, window clings. Maybe it's the glitter that I don't like. I don't know, maybe it's the glitter. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's the glitter. Okay. Then I got this. Now, I actually thought this was cute. It's the table runner. Okay, and it's pink and white hearts. It also came in red. I like the fact that it had this like faux stitching. I thought that looked cute. Look, it's got it on the red hearts too. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. If you're a crafter, like a really good crafter, you could really you could sew up this. Like, well, I'm rambling. I'm gonna ramble. Okay, well, hi, it's me. You could totally stitch this with like a thick stitching, and then you can, like, if you got like a Cricut or something, put like in the white, be mine, sweetheart. Yeah, you know. I'm just giving you all ideas. Okay. For the wreath, I got these. I'm gonna pry them apart. I know. We're embracing Valentine's Day. Yeah. Okay. Got that. That's from second. And then I got pink deco mesh. And okay, then I got this. Not that I needed it, but I thought it was really cute. And yeah, the other one I got from Dollar Tree in the fall. I got one in the fall. I even used it during Christmas. It was adorable. Oh, this is cute. Okay, it's all metal, y'all. It's metal. It's all metal. Oh, super cute. Look, its little feet. Oh, this is so cute in the kitchen. Coffee bar. Because we're not going crazy, but we're going to make a little coffee bar. Okay, and then I found the last. Okay, that's it, right? Oh, no, there's more. Hold on. There's more. Of course there's more. What did I buy? Oh, yeah. Okay, speaking of coffee bar, here, I'll show you. I got marshmallows, hearts, and then I got a little candle. Surprising. This smells so good. I don't know. Oh, sorry. It's fresh linen. I like the little packaging. Can you see the little detail? $1.25. So cute. And then I got this for the 2-tiered tray. It's not Valentine's Day, but it'll work. Then I found this, and I know so many people want to find this. Are you seeing this? This is so cute. Okay, it takes 2 AAA batteries that are not included. You press the little button and you record a message, and it's a mixtape. Okay, for us people that are a particular age, like moi, I'm going to tell you a backstory. I used to spend hours upon hours upon hours hitting play and record on my little stereo in my bedroom, recording music off of the radio way back when life was simple. How many of you did that? Did you all do that? You did. I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. Because you're watching me and you are near my age or around my age or maybe older than me, and we all did that, and we were ridiculous, and we loved it, and we gave our friends mixtapes, and we made our little boyfriends mixtape, and our boyfriends made us mixtapes, and yeah, like the mixtape. Okay, I have already gone through 3 of these already, and I saw them again, and I bought them again. These are so good. This is not a Dollar Tree brand, okay? These are these cookies, biscolata, it's called, Pia, raspberry. Oh my God, so good. Raspberry filled with chocolate on top, like a darkish chocolate. And then the cookie, it's not hard, it's like chewy and soft. It's so yummy. Orange. Like, make yourself a coffee in the afternoon. Take 2 little cookies and indulge and just like write in your gratitude journal. Ta-da! There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what we should do. Yeah, that's what we all should do. And then they have the chocolate in chocolate. Oh, this is why yours truly is never gonna be skinny. I'm just not. I have to embrace Valentine's. But I also have to embrace the fact that I am never going to be a skinny girl. I'm never going to be a size 0 like my daughter. I'm never going to wear a bikini ever again in my life. Well, never say never. You never know. Something could happen and I could have like a brain thing and start eating proper and not eating cookies and recommending cookies. Okay, that's my thought for the day. All right, you saw the haul. You saw the stuff you need. Tomorrow, we are going to make that over-the-top swag. I'll show you a bow tutorial. I might fast forward because, it's going to be kind of mundane. But I'll give you tips and tricks. If you want to make it, you can make it with me. Or you just want to have your coffee and eat your cookies and watch me make a wreath, swag, whatever you want to call it. My ridiculous, over-the-top, embracing Valentine's Day. Yeah, because it is. I'm going to embrace it. I'm going to embrace the holiday. I'm going to try. Have a wonderful day. I hope you've had a wonderful week so far. I've had a wonderful week hanging out with my peeps. I love you guys. Your comments are the best. My video back on Monday, wow, did you guys ever comment? My peeps, my peeps, my peeps, my peeps. I can't say enough. I can't say enough. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I'm hoping you're having the greatest week ever, and January is nothing but excitement and fun and things to come. And you know, if you're in a bad mood, you could watch me and make fun of me. Don't worry, you could do that. I give you all the permission. I know. I make fun of myself all the time. Anyways, that is it. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.